Hey folks, I'm Walter, and we recently took a 7-day cruise without the drink package. Did we save money? Hey folks, welcome back to Where's Walter, where we talk about all things cruising. Now, if you haven't already subscribed, please make sure you hit that subscribe button and click that little notification bell so you know when we have new episodes. Now, let's talk about the drink package. We recently took a 7-night cruise on the Carnival Mardi Gras, and on this cruise we decided, nope, we're not going to get the drink package. And it was actually reasonably priced. It was $52 per day, about, per person for the 7 nights. And now, probably the biggest debate among cruisers, other than what ship, what itinerary, is, did you get the drink package? Did you get the drink package? Did you get the drink package? How was the drink package? But in this particular case, we opted not to get it. So we opted to go a la carte. That is, we're gonna pay for everything. Now, when you're considering drink packages, you gotta look at 2 things. One, what is the price per day? And also, most cruise lines are going to make you pay for it for, all the adults in the cabin. So in this case, we would have had to pay, about $104 a day extra on our cabin to get that drink package. The other thing I look at are the specialty coffees included in the drink package. Some drink packages do not include the coffee, so you're still gonna pay out of pocket. I'm gonna get about 3 or 4 coffees probably per day on a ship. We were able to go online and look at Carnival menus. We were able to find the bar menus, we were able to find the coffee menus, and see, well, how much is it going to cost? And based on the types of drinks that were on there, I figured, okay, Walter, you probably will spend, say, between $40 and, say, $50 a day. Now, when Rebecca looked at it, she's like, I don't think I'm gonna spend more than $20 a day, to be honest with you. So we decided, nope, no drink package. So the drink package on Carnival was about $52 a day. When we did the math, it was $728 for the 2 of us to get that drink package. Now, on top of that, we've got to add the 18% gratuity. So the entire drink package for the 2 of us for 7 nights would have been $859. Now that just meant basically we wouldn't have to think about the drinks. I could go get my cocktails, go get my coffee. She could do whatever she wanted. What did we actually spend? We spent $283.18. And that was with me giving extra tips on top of the 18% gratuity that was put on. So you take that $859 that the drink package would have cost us, you subtract $283 and some change, you come up with $575 of savings that we got just by doing the math, thinking about it and going, well, yeah, maybe we should just get the drink package because then we don't have to think about it, but let's think about it. Let's run the math. Let's look at what kind of drinks would we get. How much coffee are you going to drink, Walter? How many cocktails do you think you're going to have, Walter? Rebecca, what do you think you're going to drink? I'm not going to drink that much. We saved $575. So don't just get drawn in by the drink package. And know that most cruise lines have multiple drink packages. Some of them have what they call the refreshment package, and that's everything except, the alcohol. But don't just get drawn in by, oh, the drink package makes it easy. Just pay for it and you never have to think about it. We saved $575 on just this one cruise. What about you all? Do you just automatically jump at that drink package, or do you just go ahead and do the math and say, hey, we might save some money? Have you saved money on your last cruise? And thanks so much for watching. Again, please subscribe, please hit that notification button. We're building a fun community. Join our Facebook group. We've got a private Facebook group. I want to see what you all are doing and tell me what questions I can answer for your cruising. Again, thanks for watching. Have an awesome day.